Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best 26-inch bike tires is probably one of the most important components of your mountain bike, significantly impacting your ride quality, safety, and overall enjoyment. Finding the perfect set involves careful consideration of factors like tire width, tread pattern, and material, ensuring optimal grip, durability, and rolling efficiency on various terrains, from smooth paved roads to rugged off-road trails. Choosing the right tires can transform your biking experience, making it smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 5. Schwinn Replacement Bike Tire. It's designed for 26-inch diameter rims, with widths between 19mm and 29mm. This ensures a perfect fit for many bikes. This hybrid tire is perfect for pavement and light trails. Enjoy a smooth ride on roads and confident handling on trails. The wider tread knob spacing gives you great traction and control when cornering. Ride with confidence, knowing you'll have a secure grip. It has a built-in puncture guard for added protection against flats. Enjoy worry-free rides, knowing it's built to last. It features a durable steel bead construction. The recommended PSI is between 40 and 65 for optimal performance. This tire is easy to install, making it a simple replacement for your old tire. Get back on the road quickly. What we like. It has a puncture guard for reliable protection against flats and a durable steel bead construction. If you're looking for a tire that can handle both pavement and light trails without worrying about punctures, this is a great option. Its smooth tread ensures a comfortable ride on paved surfaces, making it perfect for daily commutes or leisurely rides. What people say. They have a nice center lug pattern that rolls great on the street. There is just enough side lugs to help navigate basic trails. The tire is wearing well, as most of the mold flash and tiny nubs are still on the tire. Easy to install and they perform and look good. Very smooth and comfortable ride. Number 4. Fincci Cupar Pro 26 Tire. These are the Fincci Cupar Pro 26 tires, perfect for your mountain bike or hybrid bike. They offer a smooth, comfortable ride and excellent grip on various surfaces. With dimensions of 26 by 2.10 inches and ETRTO 54 to 559, it's designed for 26-inch wheels. They are foldable for easy storage and transport. It features 1mm nylon anti-puncture protection, keeping you rolling. Each tire weighs approximately 500 grams, 1.1 pounds. They are made of high-quality nylon and rubber, reinforced with Kevlar wire for durability and easy folding. This ensures a long-lasting tire. Experience a fast and comfortable ride with its high-traction tread. It provides excellent grip on various terrains, from paved roads to uneven trails. These are ideal replacements for your 26-inch wheeled mountain or road bike. They are a great upgrade for enhanced performance. Fincci is a UK brand you can trust. Your purchase includes full after-sales support and a manufacturer warranty. What we like. This tire is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to transport and store. It also features high traction for a faster and more comfortable ride. If you prioritize convenience and a smooth, efficient ride, this is the one for you. Its lightweight design is perfect for those who like to take their bikes on trips or prefer a lighter feel while riding. What people say. Great tires, easy to put on the bike and performing well so far. Perfect fit. A pain to put on, but the right tools help. They look good and already perform quite well on the trail. They do a good job tearing up dirt and rolling over rooty trails. Has a more wider grip and a better roll. Great looking tires, made a big difference from the smaller tires my KHS mountain bike came with. Number 3. Chao YNG 26-foot MTB Tire Kit. This kit is perfect for upgrading your mountain bike. It includes 2 durable tires designed for both on and off-road adventures. These tires are sized at 26 inches by 1.95, ensuring a great fit for many mountain bikes. They're ready to tackle any terrain. They feature a dual compound tread, giving you lower rolling resistance and better grip on corners. Experience a smoother, more controlled ride. The double tread offers excellent puncture protection, while the steel bead structure ensures long-lasting durability. Ride with confidence. These inner tubes are made from high-quality butyl rubber, providing excellent airtightness, heat resistance, and shock absorption. Remember to unfold the tires and let them sit for a day or two before installation for optimal performance. Enjoy the ride. What we like. It boasts a dual compound tread for superior grip and lower rolling resistance, along with double puncture protection for enhanced durability. If you're an avid cyclist who demands high performance and reliability, this tire is a top choice. The dual compound ensures excellent grip and efficiency, while the double puncture protection gives you peace of mind on any terrain. What people say. They are very durable and easy to fit. I like being able to get tires and tubes in one package, and I appreciate the inclusion of the tire levers. Traction seems great as I haven't lost control yet. They fit perfectly on my wheels. Number 2. Chao YNG 26-foot MTB Tire Kit. This tire is designed for both on- and off-road adventures. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provide a smooth ride. With dimensions of 26x 1.95, 47 to 559, it's the perfect fit for many mountain bikes, ensuring a comfortable and efficient ride. It features a dual compound tread for lower rolling resistance and increased grip. Experience better cornering and control on any terrain. The inner tube is made from high-quality butyl rubber, providing excellent air tightness, heat resistance, and durability. Enjoy a reliable and long-lasting tire. The 60 TPI casing and steel bead structure ensure the tire's durability for long-term use. It's built to last, ride after ride. Because it's a folding tire, let it sit unfolded for a day or two before installing for optimal performance. Enjoy the ride. What we like. This tire offers the same great features as its two-pack counterpart, a dual compound tread for superior grip and lower rolling resistance, along with double puncture protection for enhanced durability. If you need just one high-performance tire, this is the perfect choice. It provides the same excellent grip and efficiency, with the added benefit of double puncture protection. What people say. The quality is good even compared to more expensive tires. Made a 10-mile test run and they roll nice on pavement. Excellent. So easy to install, fit well and good quality. This is a great tire and it comes with the inner tube, so you could always use your old one as a spare. It also came with a tool, which is very important in changing the tire. Great deal. Number 1. CyclingDeal MTB Tires. Experience the difference with these high-performance tires. They're designed for a smoother, quieter ride on various surfaces. These tires provide excellent traction and control, even on wet roads. Enjoy improved handling and confident cornering. With durable wire beads and a lightweight design, they're built to withstand the test of time. The black wool sides give them a sleek look. Inspired by motorcycle tire technology, they offer low rolling resistance and a remarkably quiet ride. Pedaling feels effortless. These tires are ideal for city streets, asphalt, and hard-packed trails. They glide smoothly over potholes and offer superior cornering. We stand behind our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. Made in Taiwan. What we like. It features a slick tread for a quiet and smooth ride, perfect for commuting or road cycling. If you value a comfortable and efficient ride on paved surfaces, this tire is ideal. Its slick design minimizes noise and rolling resistance, making it perfect for daily commutes or long-distance rides. What people say. Bought these tires for maximum street traction on my motorized bicycle. They work great and fit perfectly. It's even been a good 1.5 years of long daily rides and the tires still have a lot of life left in them. Good traction, good look, overall great tires. These replaced true mountain bike knobby tires on my wife's bike. She loves the smoother ride and had great traction on cinder in a flash downpour. These tires are quite good for this price point, appear to be Kenda tires and have reasonably low rolling resistance. I have taken these on some light trails and rougher terrain and they do fine. Handle better than normal MTB tires on dry pavement by a long shot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.